Hey, so if Clipdrop is not working on your browser, yeah, like it won't load, features are stuck, or tools aren't responding, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, Clipdrop needs a steady connection for AI tools to load properly. Next, yeah, refresh the page or close and reopen the site. I mean, temporary glitches often stop it from loading. Now, make sure you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. I mean, unsupported browsers can break AI tools and UI features. Yeah, corrupted cache can cause loading or tool errors. Clearing cache often fixes performance issues. Now, extensions or ad blockers can block scripts Clipdrop needs to run. Try turning them off temporarily. Yeah, open Clipdrop in incognito mode. I mean, this disables cache and extensions automatically. Now, sometimes the problem is not your PC. I mean, Clipdrop servers may be down or overloaded. Yeah, VPNs or proxies can block or slow AI tool requests. Try turning them off. If nothing works, switch to another browser or device. I mean, this helps confirm if the issue is local. So yeah, that's how you fix Clipdrop not working on browser. Most of the time it's cache, extensions, or server issues. Try these steps and it should start working again. Thanks for watching.